Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and this is my channel and you are most welcome. So we are carrying on from where we left previously, where we made the journey from Halifax railway station to this village called Lee Mount, and this village also contains a very large park known as Shrogs Park, and we're going to carry on our journey, which was requested by a lady called Lorraine. So Lorraine, we're going to carry on our journey and show you the Shrogs tip which you remember. Okay, so let's turn the camera around. So as you can see, this is Shrogs Park, Lorraine. That's the journey we've made, and we're going to carry on down there and on our way back to the railway station. So let's get into the car and carry on the journey. So I'm in the car now, Lorraine and viewers, just outside Shrogs Park. So I don't know whether I mentioned, but Shrogs Park was built by another industrialist from Boothtown. So I think I have shown you the statue in Boothtown, and if he also had some mills at Dean Clough. That his name was Edward Ackroyd, and he helped build this park. Okay, so let's start our journey. So as I say, the area straight ahead of us is called Wheatley, and this road I think is called Shrogs Road, and it's a sharp left. So we're on Shrogs Road now, viewers, and this will take us to Shrogs Tip. So the area to the left of us is known as Shrogs Valley, and it's very close by. So this road to the right of us would also take us to Wheatley. Okay, Lorraine, so the area on the right, sorry, is all Shrogs Tip as you remember it. So I am going to try and find a parking spot, but as you can see, it's been beautifully landscaped now with lots and lots of trees. So I'll try to stop here and just show you. So as you can see, there's a lot of activity here. So no doubt it's another business, a rubble business as I would call it. So I'm on the main road once again, viewers and Lorraine. So the area that you see on the left hand side is what's known as Shrogs Tip, and it actually extended right up to here. So as you can see, it's been really nicely landscaped now. This area that you see here used to belong to the Crossleys, and it extended right down to there, and down there of course is Dean Clough, and that is where we are going to go, and onto the carriageway and back to Halifax. Okay, so I'll just go across the road and see if there's any better views, but I think I need to be on what's known as Brackenbed, which is in that direction, to show you better views. But as I say, it is all landscaped, so you have to go right inside really. I am on the other side now, Lorraine, but as you can see, the shrubbery hides what's behind it, which is of course, well, I'd call it a forest really. There are so many trees there, and of course there's a small park called Brackenbed Park, which once again is a video for another time. So behind here is a lot of woodland, and at the top of this is where I was previously, and at the top of this of course is Shrogs Park. Okay, so that's the journey we have made, and we're going to be carrying on and head that way. So as you can see, there's a B&Q there, and in the olden days that used to belong to the Crossley family. And the houses that you see up there is actually Pelham Lane. So Pelham Lane goes all the way up there, and then we come down this valley, which is known as Brackenbed Valley. So I'm back in the car now, Lorraine and the viewers. So this is now something of an industrial area with a lot of haulage business and construction business material. So I'm going to come out of here and head towards the carriageway. I'm sure people will recognize it. So we have been there many a time. So once again, this is Shrogs Road here, and we need to do a right. So basically we have done a full circle. So I'm on Shrogs Road now, viewers, heading towards the carriageway. So all the area to the left is Shrogs Valley and Lee Mount. So hopefully you can recognise the area ahead of us. That of course is Dean Clough. So I'm going to go back on the carriageway by doing a right turn here, which once again is known as Ovendon Road and A629, and as I said, it is known as Keithley Road further on as well. So we're just going off Shrogs Road now, viewers, back onto the carriageway and heading towards Orange Street roundabout. So Lorraine, all the area that you see on the right hand side is an older tip actually. So although it's not raining, it's not as warm today. Certainly a big difference to our week of heat last week. It really was nice. Although one day was a little bit unpleasant because we beat all records for the UK. I think, I've forgotten the exact, I know it was over 40.3 seems to ring a bell. We're on the move once again, viewers. So the traffic lights hold us up for a while, so I turn off the video. So just entering Orange Street. To the left, of course, is Broad Street Plaza. So once again, I think that I'm not coming at a busy time, but as always, traffic. So hopefully you can see the sights. So the town hall. So we need to do a left, and this of course is Broad Street. So as you can see ahead of you, the bus station is making progress. So we are heading towards Winding Road. So I'm on Winding Road now, viewers, heading towards our starting point, which of course is the railway station. So I do hope you've enjoyed today's trip to Lee Mount and back via the Shrogs Valley or the Brackenbed Valley. They're very close to each other. So I didn't actually show you Brackenbed properly. As I say, that is another video, and there is a request for it to be shown from Pelham Lane, which I will do when I get the opportunity. A little bit longer than I expected. So we're heading back towards the railway station, viewers. I'll start to say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please watch fully. Please tell family, friends, anybody you think who would like the channel. Please help to get more subscribers and to improve the watch time. Okay, so just need to do a little stop here. So I bid you farewell. I say look after each other, look after others. Until the next time, goodbye. So as heading to the railway station, I bid you farewell. नाज़रीन, हम वापस रेलवे स्टेशन पहुंच गए हैं, तो यहाँ ख़त्म करते हैं वीडियो। ज़िंदगी रही तो फिर मिलेंगे। अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं के में याद रखना। मैं आपके लिए दुआ करता रहूँगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।